Quickly and easily make standout content right from your mobile phone. Express your ideas with no previous design know-how needed. Finally, an app that will allow more people like you and me to tell stories, built on 3 decades of groundbreaking technology from Adobe. Meet Adobe Creative Cloud Express. I'm Phil Palin, a brand strategist, content creator, and a proud Creative Cloud Express ambassador. Hit that subscribe button to get even more helpful tips here on YouTube. Now, let's dig right into Adobe Creative Cloud Express, what it is, what's new, how you can get it, and how it can help you, my fellow creator, in a major way. Let's take a look together. Creative Cloud Express is simple and easy to use. It's the perfect tool from Adobe for anyone wanting to promote a business or a brand. Social graphics, videos, beautiful templates, quick actions, and more. Best of all, it's free and it's fun. Creative Cloud Express works seamlessly across apps for mobile and tablet and the web. This little tutorial will focus on the mobile version. From a browser, go to adobe.com/express. We'll link to that in the description below. From there, click Start Here. Download the app and sign in. You've got lots of options and ways for signing in. The app is free, so why would you need to sign in? Well, Creative Cloud Express keeps track of all of your projects and personal settings. This means that you can move from device to device without ever having to worry about misplacing files. They kind of like follow you. It's awesome and super convenient. Once you're in, you can get creating right away. Now, this is what you'll see. On Home, where you can create a project from one of thousands of beautiful and customizable templates, flyers, Instagram posts and stories, logos, YouTube thumbnails, and so much more. I'm just skimming the surface of what you can do in Adobe Creative Cloud Express. It really is just the beginning of your creative journey. In another video, I talk all about templates, my personal favorite feature in Adobe Creative Cloud Express. We'll link to that video somewhere over here, and we'll link to it at the end of this video. We'd also love to hear from you. What's your business or brand, and what type of projects do you plan on creating? Let us know in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you think of Creative Cloud Express, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more actionable tips weekly to create more, create better, and create faster. I'm Phil Palin. Thanks for watching. Up next, a video talking all about templates in Adobe Creative Cloud Express. Enjoy.